Today we talk about how can you install or download Temu on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, just go here. So you click here on Play Store. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on search. So then you come to next step here, then you click here on search apps and games here. Then here add Temu app. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on it. Then you come to next step here. You will find here Temu here. It's going to show for you. You just click on install. So then it's going to install with you. Just within here to install with you here. So then it's going to show for you here open. You just click here on open here. So then it's going to take you to this list. When you click on open, it's going to show for you like this. To add your email, just click here on you here to log out or sign in on your app. You just click here on sign in here. So then it's going to show for you. So I'm going to click on sign in. It's going to show for you list like this. Can you connect with Google in here, with Facebook, or connect with your email, or connect with your phone number? That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.